Hello again, my name is Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another video review. Today I'm looking at the Enermax SLI CrossFire Liberty 400 watt power supply. Included in this package is the user's manual, 4 screws for mounting the power supply in the case, 2 case badges, a neck strap, a pouch which has the leads, a power cable, and the power supply. This particular product is available in 3 wattages, 400, 500, and 620. I will be looking at the 400 watt model today. This power supply has a continuous wattage of 400, which is adequate power for today's computer systems. Now, how is this wattage determined? Well, to understand that, you need to know what rails are. Rails are basically well-regulated transformers which convert domestic current into the voltages that your computer system can use. And there are essentially 2 different rails, the 3.3/5 volt and the 12 volt rail. In this particular case, the approximate maximum peak output of the 3.3/5 volt rail is 150 watts and the 12 volt is 230 watts, which is essentially how the wattage of this power supply is determined. The 3.3/5 volt rail is responsible for the motherboard, memory, PCI cards, AGP card, and so on, while the 12 volt rail is responsible for the hard drives, DVD, CD-ROM, fans, etc. Also, some might be interested to know the peak amps on each rail. Well, the plus 3.3 volt is 26 amps and the plus 5 volt is 28 amps. Unlike most power supplies with only one plus 12 volt rail, this product has 2 and both are 20 amps. Now let's have a closer look at this power supply. It comes with a 120 millimeter fan. This fan has no problem keeping the inside of the power supply cool. There's also additional ventilation holes. Here's where the power cable gets connected and the on-off switch. This power supply has a modular design. Now, the only cables that are not modular is the main 2024 pin motherboard connection as well as the 8-pin motherboard connection. Everything else is modular and would get connected into the back of the power supply. Now this is the pouch, which I mentioned earlier, and it does have all the other leads inside of it. There are 6 standard 4-pin MUX connectors, 6 serial ATA, 2 floppy, and 2 PCI Express video card leads. These are either for an NVIDIA SLI or ATI CrossFire setup. Finally, have a listen to the fan. This product is only 400 watts, but it performs exceptionally well. Remember, if you need more power, there's a 500 and a 620 watt version. Overall, this power supply has lots of features and technologies, like the modular design, although this one is a little dated. Some of the newer power supplies have a little bit of a fancier connect system. There are plenty of leads though, and they are all sleeved. The power supply also comes with a 120 millimeter fan. That fan is very quiet, but still provides lots of cooling. Overall, this is a kick-ass product. Again, my name is Rodney Reynolds. This has been another video review. Be sure to check back very soon. I will have a brand new one for you then. Also pop into my website at www.3dgameman.com. And while you're there, you can go to the forums and register. And remember, registration is completely free. Also keep in mind, you can find out a lot more on this product in the forums. And as a final note, if you love watching my video reviews, please remember to help support 3dgameman.com. If you wish to support, please visit support3gm.com. Until next time, take care.